Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Scrabble Go. If you're trying to block or mute a player in Scrabble Go, then it can be pretty much useful to prevent communication or interactions with players who are disruptive or unpleasant during the game. So if you are looking for a way to block someone, then follow the simple step. Launch open your Scrabble Go application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter or join a game with the player you wish to block. Here I'm gonna select a random player. Once you start the game with them, go ahead and tap open the picture of the person you are trying to block, which should be located at the top right. Now, it'll then open up this scoreboard where you'll be able to see their score and yours. Now tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, and then this will open up the chat settings menu. To block the player, simply toggle on the button right next to block player, and soon after you do that, it'll then hide the person's chat messages and block their game requests. So that is how you'll be able to block a player on Scrabble Go. If you ever want to unblock them back again, you'll need to visit their profile like this, go to the settings button at the top right and disable the button right next to block player. That is pretty much it. If you ever want to block someone on Scrabble Go, then that was the step you can follow. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.